Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. I wanted to do the final reveal of my life-size Lego lightsaber. I planned on doing it last night, but the little switch that I was going to use in my build decided to die on me before I got it all buttoned up, which is great because I was able to go to the store today and get a new switch that wasn't defective. And I went ahead and buttoned it all back up, and so it's done. This is the complete. Yes, it is. It does look very chunky, which I'm still I'm very happy with. This is the right size for like a regular lightsaber hilt. It just looks really big because of the base and the emitter because it is a Lego lightsaber, and it should look chunky to look appropriate. But anyway, this is the poly tube is actually a little bit shorter. I think I've got about 24 inches exposed beyond the emitter is all. So it does. I mean, next to the camera, it looks so large, but anyway, next to me, it does look not too oversized. But anyway, hopefully this will be a big hit with the kids. I know I had a lot of fun building. It was a really simple build, and I know I don't have more than $40 in the whole build. It's very simple. This is printed. These rings are printed. The bottom's printed. The body is 1.5 inch plumbing pipe cut to like 6 inches, and then I think I have 26 inches of poly tube, and it sticks down inside the plumbing pipe, and then an RGB kit going this way, back, and a phone charging battery bank type battery torn apart and put inside here. And then there's the charging port, is the little one right here, and then the button for turning it on and off is here. And the 3D model was done by, again, it was H_smoke on thingiverse.com. So anyway, I do want to give them credit for putting together a really cool model for distribution. But anyway, you can see the LEDs in person. On the video, I noticed that it doesn't really show the individual LEDs very much. It looks pretty good. It's nice and bright, and it does turn itself off. I'm not sure. Yeah, there it goes. And I think that's just because the battery inside is a little bit low. So anyway, I do need to put a charge on it. But you can push the button to turn it on, and then push the button a couple of times to turn it back off. So I mean, it does work with the button. I'm not sure why it's turning off. Like I said, I think it's probably just because the battery itself is low. But anyway, this is a really fun build. Again, under 40 bucks. And I don't think I spent more than 2.5–3 hours complete with the painting and the assembling and the wiring and everything. It was a really short build. So anyway, if you're a Star Wars fan or a Lego fan or just want a simple 3D model to print and put together, this is actually kind of a fun little build that it'd be really easy to throw together over the course of a weekend, and you have a really cool prop for your shelf. So anyway, I appreciate you guys tuning in, and have a good day. Bye.